Well, the last video has some problem for the sound, so I'm recording it again for you. So you can see the direction of a vector can also be given as a bearing. A quadrant bearing phi is a directional measurement between 0 and 90 degree east or west of the north-south line. The quadrant bearing of vector v shown is 35 degree east of south or southeast. You can write it as S, yani S south 35 degrees east. S means south 35 degree east. So you can see we make the angle here. This is the south, and from the south you go to the east direction. There is east and make 35 degree angle. This is the direction of a vector, can also be given as the bearing. So bearing always start from the north in the clockwise direction. So this angle is 145 degree. A true bearing is the direction measurement where the angle is measured clockwise from north and given using 3 digits. So represent a vector geometrically. Use a ruler and protractor to draw an arrow diagram for V equals to 10 newtons of force at 30 degree to the horizontal. Include a scale on the diagram. So you can see here we have to make the scale 1 centimeter to 5 Newton. So draw and label 10 divide 10 from here, which is given in the question. So 10 divided by 5, which is the scale for you. So it is 2 centimeter arrow in standard position at an angle 30 to the x-axis. So when you make the standard angle from x-axis, you go and counterclockwise and make 30 degree angle. And you should show that 1 centimeter is 5 Newton. This is the scale for you. And this red arrow is your directed vector. And this 30 shows that its angle from positive x-axis. Use a ruler and a protractor to draw an arrow diagram for z equal to 25 meter per second at a bearing of s 70 degree west. It means that you start from south, goes to the west direction 70 degree. Include a scale on the Venn diagram. So using a scale 1 to 10 meter per second. So you can change 25 divided by 10 is 2.5 centimeter arrow, 70 degree west of south. So you can see here, this is the north, this is south, and from south you go in the west direction and make 70 degree angle. You can put the protractor here, and from here start the 0 and then 70, make a point and make the arrow. Use a ruler and a protractor to draw an arrow diagram for t equals to 10 miles per hour at a bearing of 25 degrees. Include a scale on the diagram. So 1 centimeter is 10 miles. Draw a level 10 divided by 10 or 1 centimeter arrow at an angle 25 clockwise from the north. Since it's a bearing, so bearing always start from the north, make a 25 degree angle, putting protractor over here in east direction. So it's clockwise direction always. So 1 centimeter is 10 miles per hour. This is a guided practice for you. Use the ruler and protractor to draw an arrow diagram for n equals to 20 feet per second at a bearing of 80 degrees. So this 0 shows that 0, 80, it means that a bearing angle from north 80 degrees. So this is from north, but in even it is from the west, it is starting. And this is starting from east. This is starting from north, but in counterclockwise direction. So the bearing angle is this one, which is from north clockwise 80 degrees. So answer is C. So this is your guided practice 2A, 2B, 2C, page 483, exercise 8.1, page 488, questions 7 to 12, all questions you need to do. Have a good day.